I want to show you how to add a new class to a Java project. If you're using an IDE as you should be, this is really simple. And you want to use the IDE to add the class so the package and everything works out. So using my polymorph example, and I'm in Eclipse, if I wanted to add a new class to this project, it's just a right click on the project name, new class. And up here, what pops up is a little UI to fill out the details. Let's just call this something. Let's see, we're dealing with shapes. So let's make a shaper class. Uh, all your modifiers public, abstract, whatnot. If you're inheriting from another class, you can specify that here if you want a main, and so on. We're just going to inherit from objects. So initially, when you're creating new classes, you'll just inherit from objects. So just leave everything as it is and just give it a name is pretty much all you got to do. Click finish. Now what you see that just showed up inside the project in the right package location is a new class called shaper. Now going back to my main, I now have an object type shaper that I can new and use as I want.